Paper towels run out. Synthetic cloths spread bacteria. And that old dish rag you have been using for months? It is holding more germs than your toilet seat. Cotton dishcloths fix all three problems, and today I am ranking the top 5 best options available right now. The number 1 pick is 100% cotton, machine washable, and absorbent enough to replace paper towels entirely. New here? Hit subscribe. Honest kitchen reviews every week. Here is the lineup. Number 5, a classic white cloth napkin 12-pack built for dining and entertaining. Number 4, a premium multi-purpose washcloth set of 12. Number 3, a waffle weave option built for serious absorbency. Number 2, an ultra-absorbent 100% cotton kitchen towel pack. Number 1, the overall best cotton dishcloth for everyday kitchen use. Starting with number 5. Utopia Kitchen White Cloth Napkins, 12-pack, 18 by 18 inches, absorbent cotton blend, washable and reusable. These are not dishcloths in the traditional sense, they are proper dining napkins, and that distinction matters. At 18 by 18 inches, each napkin is substantially larger than a standard kitchen cloth, making them well-suited for dinner tables, restaurants, weddings, and hotel service as the name suggests. The cotton blend construction is soft enough for guests to use at the table while still being absorbent and durable through repeated machine washing. The 12-pack count gives you a full set for a dinner party without running short. The white color works across any table setting, formal or casual, and the material holds up without yellowing quickly when washed correctly. First advantage, the larger 18 by 18 inch size covers more surface area than standard kitchen cloths, making them genuinely useful as reusable alternatives to paper napkins at the dining table. Second advantage, 12 in a pack at this price makes the per napkin cost low enough to replace disposables without a significant upfront investment. One drawback, the cotton blend rather than 100% cotton means absorbency is moderate rather than maximum, which limits their performance for heavy kitchen cleanup tasks. Best for buyers who want reusable cloth napkins for dining and entertaining rather than heavy-duty kitchen work. The next pick moves fully into kitchen performance territory. Number 4, Utopia Towels 12-pack premium washcloth set, 12 by 12 inches. 12 cloths in one pack is the first thing that stands out here, more than any other option on this list. The cotton blend construction balances softness with durability, and the flat weave design releases food and grime more easily than terry alternatives when rinsed. These work equally well in the kitchen and bathroom, which adds practical value for households that want one product doing double duty. Machine washable, color fast after repeated washing, and consistently sized across the pack. First advantage, the 12-pack count means less frequent restocking and a lower cost per cloth than most competitors. Second advantage, the flat weave rinse is cleaner than terry, reducing bacterial buildup between washes. One drawback, the multi-purpose positioning means the weave is not optimized specifically for heavy kitchen absorbency. Best for buyers who want maximum count at a low per cloth cost. If absorbency is the priority, the next pick is built around exactly that. Number 3, Tefal Premium Waffle Dishcloths, highly absorbent, super soft. Tefal brings brand credibility to dishcloths, and the waffle weave is the reason this earns number 3. Waffle texture creates a larger surface area than flat or terry weave, which translates directly into faster water absorption. These cloths pick up spills quickly and wring out almost completely, drying faster between uses and resisting the sour smell that slower drying cloths develop. The cotton construction is soft against surfaces, making them safe for cleaning non-stick pans and delicate countertops without scratching. Machine washable and durable across repeated cycles. First advantage, waffle weave absorbs faster and dries quicker than terry or flat alternatives, a genuine performance difference in daily use. Second advantage, Tefal's reputation for kitchen products means quality control is more consistent than generic alternatives at similar prices. One drawback, waffle weave cloths tend to snag on rough surfaces more easily than flat weave. Best for buyers who cook frequently and want a cloth that keeps up with heavy daily kitchen use. Number 2 is where pure cotton quality becomes the main story. Number 2, Bumble Dishcloths 8-pack, 12 by 12 inches, 100% cotton kitchen towel. Bumble makes one thing clear on the label, 100% cotton, no synthetic blend. That matters because pure cotton absorbs more, lasts longer through washing cycles, and does not develop the static or pilling that synthetic cotton blends show over time. These cloths are thick, substantial in the hand, and noticeably more absorbent than the thinner options earlier on this list. The 12 by 12 inch size is consistent across the pack. Machine washable on hot cycles without shrinking significantly, which matters for households that want to sanitize rather than just rinse. First advantage, 100% cotton construction delivers superior long-term durability and absorbency compared to blended alternatives. Second advantage, hot wash compatible without significant shrinkage, giving you a genuine hygiene option that synthetic blends cannot match. One drawback, the heavier weight takes slightly longer to dry completely between uses compared to lighter weave options. Best for buyers who prioritize material purity and long-term value over initial cost. Our number one pick shares that 100% cotton commitment and adds one thing that makes it the better overall choice. Number 1 Cotton 8-pack Terry Kitchen Dishcloths, 12 by 12 inches, super soft, premium version. Here is what separates this from. The weave density on this version is noticeably tighter, producing a cloth that holds its shape through more wash cycles, absorbs faster on first contact, and maintains softness longer without the thin, worn feel that cheaper terry cloths develop after a few months. The 100% cotton construction handles hot machine washing without breaking down, and the stitched edges resist fraying where budget alternatives fail first. 8 cloths in the pack covers a full week of kitchen use with room to spare. The price-to-quality ratio across the full lifespan of the cloths, not just the initial purchase, is where this earns the top position. First advantage, tighter weave density means better long-term performance and durability compared to the number 5 version at a similar price point. Second advantage, the combination of hot wash compatibility and edge stitching makes these the most practical daily kitchen cloth on the list for households that wash on a regular rotation. One drawback, terry weave across both number 1 and number 5 shares the same food particle trapping limitation, rinse thoroughly after each use. Best for any household that wants a reliable, all-cotton kitchen cloth that holds up well and does the job without overcomplicating it. Links to all 5 are in the description. If this helped, hit thumbs up and subscribe for weekly honest kitchen and home reviews. See you next time.